For today's recipe, 5 spice chicken leg naman tayo. So ayan, kailangan muna nating i-debone ang ating chicken leg. Season with salt and then black pepper. Make sure na lahat ay malagyan ng asin at saka black pepper, then egg white. Lamas-lamasin and then tsaka natin i-coat sa ating cornstarch. Fry lang natin till both are golden brown. Set aside. At the same pan, maggisa tayo ng garlic. Gisa-gisa until mag-aromatic. Water, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, sake, 5 spice powder, black pepper, and then honey. Mix, mix, mix. And then cornstarch slurry para maging thicken ang ating sauce. And then before ko siya ibuhos sa ating chicken leg, kailangan lang muna nating salain. So ayan, cut-cut na natin ang ating chicken leg, then buhos na natin ang ating sauce. So ganun lang kadali mga kainday.